Hey friends, if you encounter Kernel Power Event ID 41 Task 63 error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to update the battery drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for battery drivers. Right click on the first driver and then select Update Drivers. Okay. Right click on the second one and select Update Drivers. The next solution is to reset the power plan settings. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window corresponding to the current power plan. Click on change plan settings. Click on restore default power settings and then click on yes. And the last solution is to discharge the capacitors. Now listen carefully. Here's what you have to do. Switch off your computer, disconnect the power cord, remove the batteries. Press the power button continuously for at least 40 seconds. This will discharge the capacitors. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.